Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be trying out and testing out this baby car mirror which you can get in Lidl to watch the baby when you're driving. I'll be testing it out on my new Britax Reumer car seat. The baby is not here yet, so this bear has volunteered. We're going to put the mirror here on the seat and then see what it looks like from the front and whether this is worth your money. It costs about 9-10 euros with Lidl. Can't do much wrong here, but let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this bear comes from the Bulgarian roads, from the Bulgarian highways, from one of these grabbing machines where you throw in a euro or one left. Had to try it many times before I got them. Let me know if you've been to Bulgaria and you're also addicted to these games. But here is the REER SafetyView from Lidl. It's all in German. Autosicherheitsspiegel. Spiegel. Direkter Blickkontakt mit Ihrem Kind in rückwärts Kindersitzen und Babyschalen. So really good when you have one of these seats that drives backwards. Hey, you can't see your child, of course, and if you're driving by yourself, you want to know whether everything is okay and whether it's laying how it should be. Nothing funny. So with this, supposedly you can keep an eye contact on it. This German lady looks very satisfied. The child likes it too. And he's very visible in the back. This is like an oval bowl-shaped mirror made of polycarbonate, I think Kunststoff. So it won't break and shatter and it's completely safe. So yeah, let's unpack it. Yeah, and also not much going on in the box itself. There's no booklet or anything. There is the product itself, which is, as you can see, as a mirror, sehr schön. And on the back is a strap that you can use to adjust it to one of these seats here. And it should work on all cars, so it's very nice. Makes a good impression. Looks strong, light also on the other hand. And this protective film on the top will move at the end. So, and via the strap I attached it and I selected this middle headrest. I pushed it all the way under and here you can see, still a bit blurry because the cover is on there. The bear is very well visible. The mirror itself, maybe I'll tighten it a bit more. But once it's tightened also, it's not going to slide and shake anywhere. So yeah, you just need to try it a bit and test a bit, but it looks quite good. Then sit in the front and see what it looks like. And then from the center mirror, you should be able to see the bear, which I'll show you now. So, now we're going to remove the protective cover. And there is the Bulgarian bear, sehr schön. Hello. And the glass of the mirror looks very nice and bright. The bear is very well visible. Okay, I mean, you cannot zoom in, of course. Not as good as it gets. And with this, at least you can have a look what your baby is doing in the back of your car while you're driving by yourself. Of course, if you have somebody next to you or somebody in the back seat, it's even better. But with this, yeah, I think it's a perfect solution to have a better idea what your baby is doing and whether it's having a good road trip or not. Yeah, and that concludes my review of the REER baby car mirror from Lidl. Thank you to my volunteer. Yeah, for 10 euro, I think it's great. You have now a perfect solution in place to keep an eye on your baby. Not the best vision, of course. I mean, yeah, not the clearest. It's of course far away. There's a bit of difference. Distance and but I would say for the money I'm not sure you'll get a lot better performance if you buy something that's 2 or 3 times more expensive. With this you cannot do anything wrong and yeah, I hope you found it informative. Let you know if you've used something like this and I'm looking forward to hearing from you and I wish you safe driving with your fellow passenger.